Hi, my name is Lisa Michi Davis, and I am back with episode number 1 of 2 tips in 2 minutes about hair and braids. Tip number 1, if you can, clients, please keep your children home on appointment day. Children are cute and love to play, but please keep them home on appointment day. You want your stylist to have your undivided attention. Children are demanding. Unless they are coming to get their hair done, it is best that you set up some type of child care so that your children can be well taken care of and you can be well taken care of. Children are demanding, especially younger ones. Unless you have some perfectly obedient children who will sit and say nothing, then you will have yelling and screaming and I'm hungry, I got a potty, and it will always make cause longer time for you to get your hair done. It will be distracting for you and your client, and so always try to provide a babysitter for your children on appointment day. Tip number 2, one of my favorite. What you gonna charge me? This question is normally asked by family, friends, or anybody who know you. You used to do their hair at home. You're now a licensed stylist working in a salon, and they want to know what you gonna charge me. You let them know without being intimidated that you're going to charge your salon prices. These are the same people who believe that you was awesome doing hair at home when you were charging at-home prices. And so hopefully these very wonderful people will understand that you are now professional and now you have to charge professional prices. If they get upset, it's okay. You will get loyal customers who come in and who don't mind paying for your services. Always, what you're gonna charge me always mean discount. I hope you liked my 2 tips in 2 minutes. I'll be on next Tuesday at the same time. These are very short videos. Share if you must. I hope that you learn from them. Listen, doing hair is business. It's about making money. It's about helping your clients. And it's also about helping yourself. If you work in a salon and you are paying booth rent and you have to buy your towels and you have to buy all of your products and all of these things cost money, the last thing that you need is for someone to sit in your chair and you are feeling intimidated. Remember, you are the stylist. Get comfortable, work with your clients, but don't allow your clients to bully you. I'll see you next week for 2 tips in 2 minutes by Lisa Michi Davis. Bye-bye now.